Hi, today in this video we are going to have a quick demo of RZ G1H development kit. The development kit is based on Renesas RZ G1H Q7 SOM, which incorporates Quad A15 at 1.4 GHz plus Quad A7 at 780 MHz MPU. Take out the development kit and supply the power using a 12 volts power adapter. Once the development kit is switched on, one can see the screen split into 4 sections, each section displaying its respective camera content. One of the many unique features of RZ G1H development kit is the 4 CMOS cameras of OV5640 and OV7725 with resolutions 720p and 1080p. All the 4 cameras are accessible at the same time, displaying their respective live content. Another feature about this development kit is 2 Ethernet ports, EtherMag with 100 Mbps and Ether AVB audio-video bridge with 1000 Mbps. The dev kit can be used for quick prototyping of various applications targeted by the RZ G1H processor, such as video analytics, video infotainment, gaming console, digital signage, and many more.
Thank you so much. For more details, contact us. Please visit www.iwavesystems.com or please write to us at mktg@iwavesystems.com.